Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies on Amazon without handling inventory? With Printify plus Amazon, you can launch a full print on demand store and everything gets fulfilled automatically. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to connect Printify to Amazon, create products, and start selling. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that lets you design and sell custom products. They handle the printing, packaging, and shipping. You just upload the design and collect profits. Paired it with Amazon, the biggest marketplace in the world. You have you have a powerful combo. First of all, head over to printify.com and create a free account. Then go to my store and log into your account. You don't need a website. We are going to connect it directly to Amazon. Now, you need an Amazon Seller Central account. Go to Seller Central, Amazon.com. And click sign up. Enter your name, your email, enter your password. If you have already an account, click next. Then enter your email address from here. Then continue and enter your password. Then during sign up, you have this ready: business or individual information, government issued ID, bank account, credit card, tax information. Once you are verified and approved, you are ready to go. Back into Printify and go to Manage Stores and click Connect. Then select Amazon from here. You will be prompted to log into your Amazon seller account and authorize Printify to access it. Now let's create a product. In Printify, go to catalog from left sidebar. Pick something like t-shirts. Upload your design here. It can be a logo, quotes, or graphics. Use the mockup tool to preview it. For adding design, click on My Library or upload your image from your desktop or add a text from here like that. Double click on it and adjust them and select color variant like black, gray, red. Printify automatically sends your products to Amazon with images and a description, no manual uploads. When someone orders your product on Amazon, the order goes to Printify automatically. Printify prints, packs, and ships it. You keep the profit, your price minus Printify's base cost. You don't have to touch anything, just focus on creating more designs. Here are a few pro tips to grow faster. Use relevant keywords in your product titles for Amazon SEO. Price competitively. Start low to get reviews. Focus on niche designs like pet lovers, gamers, or hobbies. Use free tools like Canva or Creative Fabrica for design inspiration. Run ads or promotions once your products are live. And that's how you use Printify with Amazon to start your own print on demand business, even from home with zero inventory. If you want a video on how to get your first sale or top selling t-shirt niches, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next time. Thanks for watching.